Good morning, one and all. Myself, Gayatri Panne. I am new professor in this chemistry department. Today, I want to explain about what volumetric experiments. That is volumetric experiments number 3. That is aim is there. What is that? Estimation of percentage of copper in brass by using this solution. Which solution? That is a sodium thiosulfate solution. Means you have to calculation the percentage of copper in brass by using this solution, sodium thiosulfate solution. Here some needed the chemicals. Chemicals are needed, and here reactions. Which are the chemicals to needed the calculation the percentage of copper in brass? Okay. Here some chemicals are given. That is nitric acid HNO3. These HNO3 when you have to add in, that time what happen? These are dissolved the brass. Means when you taken the brass in that beaker, that time what happen? When you adding these nitric acids, it must be dissolved that nitric acids, that is brass, that is what? HNO3. Second one, urea. Urea is what? Remove the excess of HNO3. Third one, these are the water chemicals, part first and part second. So you have to adding these chemicals one by one. Means one by one we have to adding to, that time what happen? You got that part first and part second. Okay, the first one is HNO3. These are dissolve the brass. Second, urea. These are remove the excess of HNO3. Next one is sodium carbonate, that is neutralizing the acids, and acetic acid, that is remove the excess of Na2CO3. And these are the part seconds chemicals, that is the potassium iodide, and these are the Na2H2O3 and the starch. This is used as indicator. This is what? Chemicals. Here some given reactions are there. Some given reactions. Reaction number 1, that is brass. Means combination of copper plus zinc. This is brass. When in this brass when you are adding the nitric acids, it comes what? Cupric nitrate. That is means brown fumes are come. Afterwards afterwards what happen? These NO2 must be evolved. Nitrogen oxides. This is what the first reaction. Second, cupric nitrates. After that what happened? Cupric nitrates plus 4Ki. It gives to white silky PPT, that is cuprous iodides plus KNO3, and this I2, that is must be evolved. And the third stage, that is cupric nitrate, that is I2 plus starch. It gives to starch iodide, means a combination of iodine and starch. It gives to starch iodide. It is unstable blue color complex. And the last reaction in this one, what is that? I2 plus Na2H2O3. It gives to Na2S4O6, means sodium tetrathionate plus 2 NaI, that is the sodium iodide. This is what are reactions, and these are the chemicals. According to this one, you have to add one by one these chemicals, and you got what? Percentage of copper in the brass by using this sodium thiosulfate solution. Okay. After this one, how we have to do this procedure of this estimation of copper in brass by using this standard thiosulfate solution. Okay. This is what a chemicals and reaction is over. After that, what happened? Now we have to do that procedure. That is the preparation of brass is the first part, and second one is that is the estimation of copper. First, we have to do that preparation of brass. In preparation of brass, you have to take first what? Beaker. In this beaker already given, that is brass piece. You have to given already in this one, that is the brass piece. After that one, in this one you have to add what? HNO3, that is nitric acids. When you are adding these nitric acids, when we are adding this nitric acid in this one brass piece, that time what happen? Brown fumes are formed. Brown fumes. Okay. In this brass piece, when you are adding this nitric acid, that time what happen? Brown fumes are formed. After these brown fumes, wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Nitrogen gas, that is a nitrogen oxide gas is evaporates, that is evolved. Okay. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, next, that is urea.